How to change Newegg delivery address. Changing your delivery address on Newegg depends on whether you are updating your account for future orders or trying to fix an order or address for an order that has already been placed. If you want to update your account address, you just want to make sure to open a Newegg app onto your device. There, you want to make sure to tap onto the profile at the very bottom right. You then need to go ahead and look for accounts, or just tap onto your profile initials. You will then be directed to the next page. You could then look for these orders, your address section. So actually, it's not here. So you want to go to the menu bar, look for these options, or you could just go ahead and locate the location over here. Now you could simply go ahead and add in your address, all that, and you could save it. And this is how you're supposed to change your new address or change new egg delivery address. And if you want to change address on an existing order, you have to contact support immediately, let them know about it, and that's going to help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.